Éachtach le Laing an Sraith Allianz a áit na Ceatharlach agus County Laois Roinn bí an dúnse chóing tailte go maithe cup. Ach cúpla cup ach a clúir le churn dó a na Seileibh cup. Bhí carf bán Breathnaigh a Ceatharlach nach lé ceannis.
Pass láinne se cuioinach le Seinnteoir John Lennon. Agus beidir cuioinú scór tá agus Lennon Harn Sastan an scór. Fiachar Fitzpatrick. Fiachar Curtú Crúna. Fáte Chris Nolan. Chris Nolan Hara Hurling. Tá sí sin glóta mar tá sí an agus tá sí Harn Sastan an scór. Tá go deas a Quinlan mar an scór am siún seomh sí glóta fad. A blocálínta tintach fáte ráise go. Dooley. Carto an button vigin chéador a Gerto. Carto an Counchin Harn Sastan. Thomas Keys. Keys, Gary Fickasus, Quinlan, Gary Fickasus, would score at the shot. David Dooley, let it down and score. Harn Sasnan. Angus Peter fought David Dooley. Counchin Bulta, Harn Sasnan, did the Gadas, come on, Gary, and a Connor Kyo. Shanty to Ceatharlach. Tolgal, Donalds, and the Himmery. Again, the Gorham at the here, and Jackie Groot, Segas, a Shanty, a Ceatharlach, forcing him at low. Kavanagh, Kavanagh's a goal! A Modírach agus Marty Kavanagh á ball agus coola Ceatharlach. Quinlan, Freevrú. Agus tá chaidlinn is a héana go Dian Wall agus a Dian Wall falling cheanna sára go dtí seo chaithe sin ará. Casta go deasig Thomas Keys. Keys, goal! Two Seinnteoir TG4 agus Thomas Keys. Conway hinga cumbertach a Leards. Lennon Nishcon, Das, Staffs Boss. Jar Quinlan Berte, agus Fáte Quinlan. The Quinlan Queener Hool would score in the Chligan Tá cool Fáte ag Jar Quinlan. Dísha na rail sa strike Gadisha. Ciún Gadisha nya. And well Ceatharlach and Counchin go hauling. Quest full skim of leis Freevrú. Pass love a clichte. A Kavanagh for Shan Cook a second. A couple number the Kavanagh Casa. A even love a Clay. Agus Tá scorshin Fáte Nasc Cup. Agus Leash. Christeach Modírach, smachtaigh deas. A Quinlan, go Keys a Casa, Keys a Passal, agus Keys a Hurling Lennon ul Counchin, Imi Harsin Sastan, Tá, agus Shep Dumfrey Tietna go Hallanya, agus Comert all in chin, agus Sinead a but a Gleash, agus a but a go comfort a hub, let's see who in dig, and scored down the Glustic Canish, Sraith do a Oman on the Brianna Shaw, Leash do a Ficha do, Ceatharlach Hian a Doyak.
Yeah, delighted. Great performance. So big turnaround from a few weeks ago. The last time we played Carlow, we kind of zoned in on that before the game. That we just wanted to perform, and we knew that we'd get the result if we did. So very happy. Yeah. I suppose the purpose of the league was to try out players, which we got to do, and build a bit of momentum, which we got to do now as well. So in a nice place going to championship now, and hopefully we'll be ready for Offaly in 3 weeks' time. That's the main goal.